Hi everybody, hi, good morning. This is Petra with me from Holland, and she's here today. And do you want to say anything, Petra? We're gonna color your hair. So I'm gonna show you her hair, guys. So we colored last time her hair, so nice, beautiful gray hair as you see. And now today she come to me with this roots. Can you see her roots? So she didn't color 2 months. 2 months, no, Petra? Yeah. So this is all her roots. See how dark roots she have? So she don't like it. She wanted me to color her again the nice, beautiful gray hair. So I'll show you guys how we're gonna do that. Stay with us. Look at it, guys. Oh my God, so much root. Oh my God. So Petra, are you happy to?
I'm always happy here.
Oh, thank you so much, Petra. And we'll show you. Stay with us, guys, so see what we're gonna do. Thank you. Bye.